So Bruce, this question is, is this appropriate for, potentially a small company or not many locations? And then how big can it scale?
Yeah. So the way that I like to talk about this is that the needs that we see, the pain points that we see at the edge resonate no matter how big the organization is. And I'll explain what I mean. Because the lowest common denominator is that an organization needs to run some applications locally. They're not running it in the cloud. They can't depend on the cloud for whatever reason, cost, reliability, latency. There's all sorts of reasons why they've made a decision. I got to run some applications locally, and I can't spend a lot of money, and it's got to be available and remotely manageable. Those are the basic things, right? So what we see with that is, like I mentioned, Sheets, and as a retailer, we have other retailers that have thousands of sites. Sheets has hundreds of sites. So there's a big example for us but each site is its own little entity. We also have many customers that have a single site. It's a law firm, like I mentioned before. It's a law firm. It's a flower shop with one location. It's a local bank that has 4 locations. So we can really run the gamut from the SMB that has 1 or 2 sites all the way to the enterprise, but it would be the edge of the enterprise, not in the data center, not in the cloud. It's all about small locations that need to run just a little bit of applications at that site.